Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Gloria, and today we are reacting to Latvia's Eurovision 2026 entry. Now listen, Latvia sometimes comes with those deep, emotional, slightly dark performances. So I'm actually very curious to see what this year's performance is all about. And without further ado, let's press play. Okay, the visuals, I'm getting chills already.
Tik daudz silta augstiem ļaudīm dots, bet pie tuviem atnāc iztukšots. Citu acīm skaisti izgleznots, bet viens piliens pārvērš tevi toņos melnbaltos. Un tā lēnām, lēnām kļūsti mēmāks. Lēni, lēnām, lēnām paliec ēnāk. Tu domā vēlāk, vēlāk, nedaudz vēlāk. Un tā lēnām, lēnām paliec ēnāk.
Wow.
Meitiņ klusē, veļu necīlā. Šonakt tētis mājās nepārnāks. Rītā ar smaidu gāzi skandinās. Sliksim kopā šaubu atvārā. Un tā lēnām, lēnām kļūsti mēmāks. Lēni, lēnām, lēnām paliec ēnāk. Tu domā vēlāk, vēlāk, nedaudz vēlāk. Un tā lēnām, lēnām paliec
Yes, this is Eurovision. The drama, the vocals, the emotions, the staging. This is a moment. That was actually really, really good. I feel that Latvia went for something emotional and artistic this year, and it worked. It's not your regular upbeat song, but it pulls you in. The emotions, the staging, the vocals, everything came together beautifully. But I want to hear from you. What do you think? Do you think Latvia might win this year's Eurovision 2026? Drop your thoughts in the comment. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Colors of the rainbows are so bright.